snoring and waking you up?
Yes!
Introducing the Snore Stopper. Step 1. Pour it on him. Step 2. Wait 5 seconds. Step 3. Just wait until he stops snoring. Listen to these satisfied customers. I started using it and it worked. Word.
So it all started one night. I was sleeping with my mom because, well, I don't have my own house and stuff. And then she said I started to snore. I'm like, I don't snore, I'm British. But then I did one night and I was like, oh my gosh. And I got the snore stopper. And it worked. My mom said like, hey, you need the snow stopper. And then I was like, I don't need it. And then the next night she was like, you need it. And then I was like, I don't need it. And then the third night I was like, oh my gosh, I do need it. And then that's how I got the snow stopper. Goodbye.
Like, I was snoring that I woke my mom up. So, like, I got this snore stopper thing and, like, it worked. Buy this bottle for $18. The water's free, but the bottle is $18.
Warning, side effects may include turning old, exploding, or an unsafe drop in blood pressure. Or death.
Or all at the same time.
Buy the Snore Stopper today. It really works.